and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. UDP receives 2 new members. Nehu authorities reject the demand of casual workers. And Neso Tura unit organized sit-in demonstration. And now the news in detail. United Democratic Party UDP is expanding its wings when 2 prominent citizens, Sri Wilbert Rani and Sri Mona Shabong, proprietor of Khasi Daily, Urupang, enrolled themselves as new members to the party. In a small and solemn function held at the residence of Sri Balajit Sindrem, MLA of Shillong constituency, Sri Metba Lingdo, president of the party, welcomed the 2 prominent citizens to the UDP party. Present at the function were General Secretary Sri Jamino Mautho, 2 MLAs Balajit Sindrem and Sri Eugene Lingdo, and a galaxy of MDCs Sri Titos Khan, CEM, Paul Lingdo, Tanwald Khar and Sri Mitchell Wankar graced the occasion. Followers and supporters of the 2 new members were also seen in good numbers.
Ngawan ka party kamdan ka pargi ni kanila tay. Ngawan ang pangklan ka party. Te kung ang scam ne ba kada ka party kay ipan bangaran kam ban mi ban yele. Ya ka election ngalong bakloy ban mi ban yele. Ban ngalong bala pankre. Ka jingpai ke jonga manta long ka jingpai ke jonga boros kata las. Kani kam desu ka ba kabari kampai ba la pau kala mi ke jing keren social media, kami ke jing keren ki apprehension na ki media ki press media ruba. Uba olbad ni le na unile. Upersang ban yele election mo plan. Teka mo plang tersa di kasyong nga telada kaparti ki ibet benile ya kata di konsulsi bandre kasyong bana akarai jong kaparti namar ngalarung kaparti I live to the wisdom but kadisian jong kaparti kamu beri jong kaparti ban nalong beri uban bot nanti ya kajing punda jong kaparti.
The Vice-Chancellor of Northeastern Hill University, Professor P.S. Shukla, on August 17, had clearly informed leaders of the casual workers who are agitating for more than 2 months now that the university, in its responsibility as the employing agency, had granted all the dues entitled by the casual workers. With regards to regular appointments and regularization of services, he had plainly informed them that this is beyond the power of the university and only the Government of India and respective ministries to make decision.
Received below the 500 in hand per day and they are entitled no overtime, no gratuity, accident, etc. The majority of the casual workers have never been issued any identity cards, that their respective department never issued an appointment letter. But for the rest of the period, I am helpless to say something. But after the discussion with the committee member, I can find out some base, which way I can help my casual workers. But after the discussion, directly I cannot, the Vice Chancellor cannot take all the times one-side decision.
Northeast Students Organization NESO organized sit-in demonstration on August 17 in Tura to protest against CAA and demanded the implementation of ILP in the entire northeastern region. Speaking to the media, NESO Assistant General Secretary Mansingh Sangma said that the government has to give to the people of this region a permanent solution to the illegal immigrants' issues. He also said that the Northeast is most neglected region in the entire country.
Ilu baknya yang sekarang nga. Ia kosong dungdung ya sel apal siangnya. Niat naman gen semua dia ansen. Ni dream so. Dungacem sip dungacem dungaya. Kinja. Tau medical college ansen. Curau dungacem construction ada construction dah orang masuk kerja. Engineering college masuk kerja. Wah nak barang kitab kaim na. Alu dengkang. Jirangan. Kamu nak jadi berapa proses nangko. Raba naman gen semua ode. Nambat gen ni. Ya. Ni di mana? Ya. Sitin demonstrasi di mana?
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.